Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how you can use the fill handle feature in Microsoft Excel to copy the formula to the rest of the rows till the end in a spreadsheet. In this spreadsheet there are a number of columns and as you can see there is first name in the first column, last name in the second column, and names of 3 months and the Q1 cells in column F. So in this cell we will write a formula, so it will sum the amount in January, February and March, and it will show the total sum in this cell. So what you can do, you can just click on the cell and drag the small little square in the lower right corner, and you can just drag down, so it will copy the formula from the cell to the next row. So in this way you can copy the formula. There is another way that you can do. You can just click on the cell, press Ctrl C, and then go to the next cell and press Ctrl V, so it will also copy the formula. There is another way that you can do. Just click on the cell, right click on the cell, click copy, and then go to the another cell, right click and click on paste, and you can just go on if you have a lot of time. So there is another good way and easy way that you can do. You can just click on the cell, double click on the small lower right corner square, and it will copy all the formula till the end. So I'm just double click on it, and as you can see we have 16 rows and it has copied the formula till the 16th row. So in some cases you might have thousands and thousands of rows and you want to copy the formula, and the first methods will be very slow, but in this method, using this fill handle feature, you can copy the formula till the end. So I hope this will be very useful in your professional life, and do let us know about this feature. If you have any comments, just write in the comment box, and if you like this video, just click like and share in your timeline. If you have not subscribed to our channel, just do subscribe to our channel, and we'll be happy to serve you better in the future. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.